is available for me.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yes. So I was trying, and suddenly I saw you, and
Yeah.
thank God you picked up my call.
Sanush, what do you do? What's your job? What is your work?
Okay. So at this time, I'm a supervisor. Okay,
Mhm.
construction supervisor. So it's kind of civil engineering work.
Okay.
Yeah, so my duty is to pay attention on workers, how they are doing the construction work, making buildings,
Yep.
okay,
Yep.
and constructing different kind of foundations. So I'm working for Indian Railways right now,
Oh,
actually.
okay. Wow.
Yeah, so my working location is in a village, okay,
Uh-huh.
near a village, I mean,
Mhm.
and the railway track is
Uh-huh.
being electrified. So it
Ah,
wasn't, yes. So
okay.
you need a building, okay?
Yeah.
It's kind of building that controls the electricity in a
Yeah.
particular area or
Yeah.
period. Yes.
Yep.
So that
You're
building
building
is
that.
being built these days.
Ah, cool. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I like it. As I told you that I like to try new things.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yes, so I'm trying my best to give and earn.
Yeah. Yeah. I understand.
Yeah.
And do
So work.
you, huh?
Yeah.
I was
So
just
work.
gonna say,
I mean, workers work
yeah.
under my supervision.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have to travel to do this current job away from
Ah,
your home?
absolutely. So I'm very far from my home. I'm
Yeah.
from North India, but right now I'm in South.
Ah, okay.
Not
Yeah.
exactly the South. It's kind of southwest corner of India. The
Okay.
state, the state called Karnataka.
Mhm. Is it
Yeah.
nice there? Do you like it there?
It's so cool. The weather is cool,
Yeah.
and the maximum temperature at my location right now,
Yeah.
and always, I mean, always, average temperature is plus 38,
Wow, that's hot.
max.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's kind of cool
Yeah.
for me because at my location, sometimes temperature around 44, plus 44, plus 43, 44, and yeah, that's why I feel cool here.
Yeah, I bet.
And and the
So
main
in
thing
the
is that,
north, it's warmer.
yeah, say again.
In the north, it's warmer.
Right.
Right. Oh,
In
okay.
the northeast, in the northeast,
In the northeast, okay. Yeah.
yes. But the exact location of northeast,
Yeah.
if you travel in India,
Uh-huh.
then those states have a very good amount of greenery.
Oh,
So
yeah.
yes, and here as well.
Mhm.
Here as well, you can get greenery far and wide.
Oh, good. That's beautiful.
Yeah, so I like it, and I like the place. I like the state,
Yeah.
and it's my first time actually.
Yeah?
I never been to this state, so it's my first experience. You can say first visit. You can say
Yeah.
so. Yeah, so I'm trying my best to catch everything which I can do,
Yeah.
along with my working.
Yeah. And will you be there for long?
uh, my work it's almost gonna done. Okay, in a month.
A
Yes.
month. Okay.
Uh, so
Okay.
after finishing, then we'll change. Maybe we'll change the state, or maybe
Yep.
we'll change the location in this state.
Okay. Nice.
It
So
depends
you'll
on.
continue to do the similar projects.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. This
Nice. So
and
you
what
are an
about
engineer.
you?
That is your job. Sorry. Sorry.
Say again, say again. You said something.
I said you're an engineer. That is your like. Is that your career?
No, 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 no. But
Okay,
currently you
but
can say.
currently you are.
Yes, so I'm enjoying, and it really helps when you gain some new knowledge.
Yeah.
It may help you. I mean, it helps you. Obviously, it helps you, but it may also help others in
Yeah.
case.
Yeah.
That's
Absolutely.
why. Are you busy now? I only see your face.
No, I'm just rubbing my feet because I'm cold.
Oh,
Yeah.
cold?
Yeah, freezing.
Why, why, why? What's
Because
the
of where I
temperature?
live. It's cold here.
Hmm.